I finally had time to organize and clean up my tools and arrange my sockets. Top drawer is the metric. My ratchets. This is kind of just like a junk drawer for now. More wrenches. And my SAE sockets and extensions. Right here we have my hoist, which I'm going to be installing tomorrow. Can't lose that. Some more sockets, junk drawer, more sockets, pliers, more pliers, snips, torque wrenches, hammers, pry bars, and my air tools. And over here, let's see, some miscellaneous stuff up here, soldering irons, staple guns, mouse traps, some miscellaneous parts, utility blades, screwdrivers, ratchets. This is mislabeled. This is mislabeled because I rearranged everything. I believe this drawer and the next drawer are empty because I've been doing some rearranging. Just the miscellaneous drawer still needs some reorganization. Screwdrivers, crescent wrenches, pipe wrenches, more sockets, especially like these pass-through sockets. Some more pry bars and drill bits.